So how can you avoid getting banned or rejected on Upwork and Fiverr? This is a problem that almost every freelancer deal with. If you are working on Upwork and Fiverr, whether you are a beginner or expert on the platforms, you will have this constant fear at the back of your mind because for whatever reason, they can just ban your account or even reject your account if you are a complete beginner. And it happened to me when I got started with Fiverr. My first Fiverr account got banned. I had to restart again. Luckily, I was able to start again with a different account, and I was able to build the new account without getting it banned or rejected. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 things you can do in order to reduce the chance of getting rejected or banned on Upwork and Fiverr. But just remember, Upwork and Fiverr can reject your account or ban your account for whatever reason, sometimes without any good reason. But knowing the items that I'm going to share with you in this video are going to help you reduce the chance of getting your account deleted or rejected on Upwork and Fiverr. And the first thing is avoid copying other people's profile. I see some beginners do this. When you create a new account on Upwork and Fiverr, you find other freelancers that are already on the platform and you copy their account. That is very dangerous if you are doing that, because that could easily get your account banned or rejected from the platform. It's totally fine. It's totally okay to take inspiration from other profiles. But copying other profiles, that is never a good idea. That is one of the easiest ways that you can get your account deleted from Upwork and Fiverr. So if you are starting a new account on the platform, take inspiration from other sellers that are already on the platform and seek help from ChatGPT or other AI tools to create your own profile, to write your own text, your own description, and your own titles. The next thing is, make sure when you are creating your new account, you use your legal name. When they ask for your name, make sure you use the name, your legal name that is on your ID card. The name that you have on your national ID card, on your driver's license, international passport, make sure you use that exact name. Because if you have a different name on your Upwork or Fiverr profile, and you try to verify your profile with an ID that has a different name, you cannot verify your account. So this one is fairly easy. Just make sure you use your legal name on your Upwork and Fiverr account. The next thing is, don't use a fake profile photo. When you create your account, make sure you use your own picture that clearly shows your face. Don't use other people's picture on your Upwork or Fiverr account. And don't use AI. Definitely don't use AI to create a profile image that you can use on your account. Having your own picture on your profile is going to help Upwork and Fiverr verify your account when you upload your identification, your government identification. And if you use someone else's picture, or if you use AI to modify your picture before you upload it, then they are going to have a hard time verifying the picture on your identification and the picture you use on your Upwork or Fiverr account. And the next thing is, when you are creating your account, make sure to use the right form of identification to verify your account. If you are in Nigeria, don't use your national identification slip. Even if it shows your face clearly, Upwork and Fiverr will never accept your national identification slip. So make sure you use your plastic national ID card. If you don't have the plastic national ID card, you can use a driver's license or international passport. If you have an international passport, it's the easiest identification method. If you try to use the national identification slip, they are going to reject it. And if you try to use it again, it can lead to getting your account rejected from the platform. Okay, the next thing is, don't open more than one account. I know some people create an account on Upwork and Fiverr and they forget about it. After a long time, instead of getting back to the account, they just decided to create a new account. That is a bad idea because it could get both accounts terminated, deleted from the platform. So if you ever created one profile, if you want to get back to the platform, just find that profile and recover it. Even if you forgot the password, go through the process of recovering password and get back to the account that you have. Having two accounts, more than one account, is an easy way to get your account deleted. Okay, the next thing is, when you start sending proposals to client, make sure you do not include your email or your phone number in your proposal, because it's against their terms and conditions, both Upwork and Fiverr, to give your client or to contact a potential client outside of the platform. So make sure you do not give your client, your potential client, your email or your phone number on the platform. Because if you write an email or phone number, they can easily detect it. And you can easily get your account banned or rejected from the platform if you share an email address or phone number with your client. I know many people work with clients outside of the platforms. I am personally guilty of that. And that is okay. But just don't share your email address or your phone number on the platform. If you need to share your email address or phone number with the client, make sure you share it with them when you are having a meeting, like in a Zoom meeting, or if they share their email address first and you respond to their email. Okay, the next thing is don't try to hire yourself. I know when you create a brand new account, you have no past client history, you want to have a 5-star review. Some people create a different account, like a client account with a different email address, and you try to hire yourself so that you can give yourself a 5-star review. That is a bad idea. It's easy for them to detect that you are using both accounts, and that is easily going to get your account deleted. The bottom line is Upwork and Fiverr can delete your account at any time for whatever reason, sometimes without any good reason. Their algorithms can mistake your activities on the platform and just decide you violate their terms and conditions. And if they delete your account, even if you try contacting support, I never had one time when you contacted their support and their support provide any form of help. And that is why my advice is don't rely 100% on freelancing platforms. If you are looking for client, look for client on freelancing platforms, but also look for client through other means like cold outreach. And if you have a client that you really like, you enjoy working for them, make sure you have another way to contact them. My own graphic designer that worked for me, I used to pay him on Fiverr. But for whatever reason, Fiverr deleted his account. But because you already have my email address, he sent me a notification and let me know about the issue. And I continue working with him and I continue paying him through PayPal. So make sure you do that. If you have any client that you enjoy working with, make sure you have another way to contact them. And if you want to learn more about how to find clients using cold outreach, you can watch this next video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.